Today I'm going to share how you can earn $10 daily completing simple tasks online, and this is available worldwide. So in this video I'm going to share with you a website that pays you for doing really simple tasks, and when I say really simple I mean literally incredible. My 6-year-old son could go ahead and do these tasks, so there's no reason why, if you're watching this and you're looking to earn some simple money daily, then this video will show you how to do that. Now this is available worldwide. You do not need any skills or experience, and it's 100% free to get started with. Now you're going to want to stay till the end of this video, because what I'll do is I'll show you the website, I'll give you a walkthrough of this, and I'll show you the app and how this all works. But what I'll do is I'll show you how you can actually start earning more money with this method. I'm going to share with you a couple of different websites, because as every video that I go ahead and do, I do some research on this. So I'm going to share a research article that I went ahead and found earlier on this morning. I'm also going to share with you some tips to how you can basically get started with this today. So at the end of this video you'll know exactly what you need to do, what you don't need to do, how to get started with this, and where to go. And basically I'm just going to give you a full overview of the process and how you can start earning some simple money today using exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. So let's go ahead and jump into this, and I'll just walk you through everything you need to know. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're looking at a really simple method to earn $10 daily, and this is available worldwide. Now I've been spending a lot of time looking at different opportunities which are available worldwide, and I found out about this one yesterday. So I've been doing a bit of research into this, and everything that I've found on this company, they all look absolutely legitimate, so I have no issues going ahead and sharing this video with you today. So the company we're looking at is this one here, and it's called Hive Work. Now I'll drop links to everything I'm mentioning below for you, so you can go ahead and check this out. Now this is the website here, so the website is actually hivemicro.com, but the link will be down below for you. So how this works is, well, you go ahead and you complete simple tasks and then you earn real money. So on here, I mean, this is literally the website. You've got these simple little tabs down here, and you just literally go through these tabs. So on here it says you can go ahead and start earning money from doing simple tasks, and as you can see, you can do this from anywhere in the world and also at any time. You don't need any skills for this, you don't need any experience. This is a genuinely simple way to earn some extra money online. So I'm going to click on here, and it'll go to the next tab. So how does this work? Well, you sign up, you complete tasks, and then you get paid for each task that you go ahead and do. Now it says on here you need a basic understanding of English and also an internet connection to get started, and it really is as simple as that. So you sign up, you apply for jobs, you complete the tasks, and then you get paid weekly. Now in terms of the tasks and the jobs that you're going to be doing, you've got there's 3 examples on here. So like this is a task, so we give you a task, you choose the best answer. So one of the examples of this is they will give you an image like this, and then they'll give you 3 options below, and you will select which one of these boxes here is relevant to the image. So in this example here, these 2 obviously are the correct ones, and you wouldn't put this here into electronics. And the genuinely simple tasks like these ones. Another example is bounding boxes. So we give you an image and you draw a box. That's it. You draw a box like this, and then you put exactly what's in the box. So in this example here, it's a car. As you can see, this is ridiculously simple stuff. Then you've also got text transcription. So this is just 3 examples of the really simple tasks that you will be doing. So there's no reason why anybody cannot go ahead and earn some extra money using this website and this method to earn some extra money online. Let's go ahead and have a look at the next one on here. So I'm going to click on here for you. So what's this say here? Over 100,000 people around the world trust us to provide a steady source of income. Today, over 2 million being earned, and they've also completed over 2 billion tasks of basically labeling boxes and other bits. So that one that we looked at a minute ago, where you were selecting cars, they're ridiculously simple, like effectively the micro tasks and micro jobs. So that is how you're going to be going ahead and earning money with this. Now if I just click on here, go ahead and show you this. So how do you get started with this? So you click on get started with Hive Work, and then it will open up over here for you, and all you're doing on here is you're just going ahead and filling this in, and then you go ahead and join. It's that simple. Now you can go ahead and download this on the Google Play Store, on the App Store, so you do not need a computer for this to work. You can actually go ahead and do this on a mobile phone or a tablet. Now this is a relatively new company that I've found, and when I've been looking at the feedback over on Google, I'll show you that in a second, but this is the app, and this is how it looks inside of the app. So this is like one shot in there. You can check on the leaderboard for the day, so you can see, like in this example here, last day. It shows you the person's name and also the earnings so far for the day. So you can see on here you've actually got people earning more than $10, and you've also got people earning less. It just purely comes down to how many of these tasks and jobs you're going to go ahead and complete every single day. Here is an example of an image. So this says here, this is called a truth image. So you get shown a picture, and then you go ahead and say whether that is correct or not. So you'd simply type in yes or no. The next one we've got on here is, this is a categorization thing. So also as well, what I do like about this is it goes and gives you basically an overview and a walkthrough of how to get started with each one of the jobs. So if you don't know how you're meant to do the job or anything, you simply click on here and it will walk you through the entire process to start earning some money basically. You've also got another one here, and then this is the jobs page here. So you can see on here, once you're actually inside the app, you can go ahead and check out the jobs that are available to you. And that's it. So you can see here, Hive Work. This is over on the Google Play Store. It's currently got a 3.4 out of 5 rating from 841 people. So you can go ahead and get this on the on Google Play and also on the App Store. So let's go ahead and have a look at some of the reviews here. So as you can see, we're over on Google here, and I've just typed in Hive Work review, and you can go ahead and have a look at all of these different articles on here. There's many more on here, and there's different videos on here. So if you scroll down here, I was going through these articles and looking at these, these different ratings on here. But if you scroll all the way to the bottom, I found this article here, how to earn $40 per week. And this is just one person who's on the platform on here. So I just want to show you this because they've got some tips and tricks on here. So I'll drop a link to this article below for you. But basically here, I've just scrolled down to the bottom of this. Now there's a video on here which will walk you through the entire process. This is actually by this person here, so you can feel free to go ahead and have a look at this. Now he goes ahead and he shares some simple tips and tricks to start earning $10 a day. Now you can see on here basic tips to complete more tasks as you should. You'll notice that on the leaderboard the macros completed. So basically what it's saying is, on here, when it's logged in, there's over 74,000 jobs that have been completed, and they've earned over $44 with this. So his tips on here is, go ahead, it's not really tips, is it? It's just common sense. The more tasks and jobs that you go ahead and complete, then you will earn more money for doing so. There's also a referral program in this. For every new referral that you bring into Hive Work, then you will go ahead and earn anywhere between $1 and $5. So you can actually earn more money with this. Now, I do not have a referral code. I'm just going ahead and sharing this research in this video with you. If you want to go ahead and join this, then that is entirely up to yourself. So if I scroll up here, I'll drop a link to this article below for you. It will basically show you all of the tasks on there. But in this article here, this commercial labeling, the one that we looked at earlier, when he went ahead and did this blog article, there was currently 5,720 tasks available. So there's no shortage of jobs over on Hive Work. And if you come over to this article, you can scroll through and have a read of this. But on here, if you scroll down to the bottom, come all the way down to the bottom here, come to the video and just press play on here. It's not a really long video. It'll just walk you through his process and how he's earning $10 plus per day by completing simple tasks. But these are all they're all micro tasks. This is incredibly simple to do. It's incredibly easy. You do not need you don't need any experience, you don't need any money to get started with this, and this is available worldwide. Now if we go back over here, let me just go back to here. So getting started, so just come over to the home page, go all the way down to this bottom tab here, and then all you will be doing is clicking get started with Hive Work. Or if you just simply go ahead and download the app, then you can go ahead and sign up via the app on the Google Play Store or also on the App Store. So that is pretty much today's video. Very simple stuff, very easy to do. And if we go back over here and look at this, the sort of tasks that you'll be doing, you can see these are just really, I mean, the micro tasks. So you're not going to be earning a lot per task, but you can knock out literally hundreds of these a day. If you're just getting shown an image and then going ahead and clicking which category it's relevant to and bounding boxes like this, it's just really simple stuff. So that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, let me know. But thank you for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.